Hey friends, we all face problems. We can handle it. We'll make you a hero or a zero. Let's check it out. We will do a science experiment. Okay? Now let's check how they handle the water.
This is potato.
This is the egg and this is the green tea leaf. Let's put it, okay? Then when you put it,
Let's wait for 5 minutes and see how they respond to the hot water problem.
yeah. Before this potato is very hard. Let's check the potato now. Okay? It's become very weak. Oh,
Oh my god, that's true. It became so soft and weak.
it opened.
Yep, that's right.
Now let's check the egg one.
Okay, egg was very weak in the beginning. Let's check if it is still weak after the problem or is it hard now.
It's so hard.
Wow, so egg handled the problem better. When the same problem was given to potato, it was weak. It became weak.
Mummy, it's not crushing.
Now the egg has become strong after the problem.
Yes.
Now let's check the green tea. What did green tea do to the problem?
It changed the color.
So, green tea was not impacted by the problem. Instead, green tea changed the problem.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to become? Do you want to become a potato, an egg, or a green tea leaf? How do you want to handle the problem? Anu?
How you want to become like a potato or an egg or a green tea leaf?
How do you want to handle the problem?
How do you want to handle the problem?